everybody. Good morning, Mystique.
Good morning, Capi.
Ready to rumble?
Ready to rumble.
All right, let's do it then. Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. So, hello and welcome, everyone. We're gonna have a magnificent Monday, and be better to. So we're ready to rumble, right?
Yes.
Well, okay. Let's see what the levels of support and resistance are. Okay, it's Monday. There isn't much volatility. All right, so we're gonna take it easy for a while. Let's continue watching to see exactly what the smart money is up to. All right, so what you're gonna see is all live, real time. This is what you're gonna see today. All live, real time. Okay, time right now is 9:09. Boom, that's another candle 9:10, right? Time right now is 9:10. So this is not only live, this is real time. Of course, this is gonna be a recording that I'm gonna post in my YouTube channel, right? So that the world can see what we do here. Of course, they're gonna see it, and it's already gone. But right now, I'm live, real time, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the market, and I'm going to predict exactly what it is I think the market is gonna do. I think, oh my God, this guy trades. What do you think? That's exactly what I said. I'm going to predict the market. I'm going to tell you where the best. I'm going to give you every trade that we take must have 6 major elements. Number 1 is direction. What do I think the price is going to do? Is it going to go up, sideways, or down? Number 1. Number 2, location. If it's going to go up, well, what is the best entry location? Right? It's going to go down. What is the best entry location to short it? Number 3, protection. If we're wrong, at what point is the setup invalidated? Number 4, destination. I'm going to tell you exactly to the tick where I think the price is going to go, the future. We are all about the future here, right? And then position size. I'll read the market. I'll see the market condition. I'll see the market mood, and I know. And the job of a professional trader is to figure out how tough is the trade. It is tough every day, but sometimes the market is a little bit more unreadable than other times. It's your job to find that out. All right? We trade every day. Every day there are set up, but sometimes the market is more erratic. We like it when the market moves rhythmically so that we can have a full position. All right? So when the market is not moving in harmony with our system, then we reduce the position size. Number 6, trade management. Once we are in a trade, then stop break even, start trading. We know exactly where to get out in case that it goes against us. We know exactly where it's going so that we let it ride. Okay. And number 7 is just account management. I'll go over that a little bit later. All right. So those are the basics. 100% full on complete focus. Otherwise, this is just gonna be too much. Right? So let's see what it is the market is up to this morning. So that being said, the overall market direction is totally sideways. Okay, totally sideways. I'm not expecting a clean break of this low right here, 60, and I'm not expecting a clean break of 60. However, we're going to watch it like a hawk, and this is what I want you to do. All right, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to put a support line, okay, support price line. Support, this is the first support, it's 56. All right, so I want you to put support at 56. All right, so clean break of this low right here. I'm expecting a continuation to 56. 4 points. Big big deal, right? 4 points. All right, that's it. I don't. That's gonna be the first leg. Sometimes the first leg is 20 points, right? All right, clean break of here of 61, 56. That's 5 points, and I don't see it. I don't see it. That's not gonna happen anytime soon. This is very, it's very. Uh, uh, this 61 is it's okay. Hold on a second. Look at it. This is a fishy level. All right. Let's continue. Let's continue analyzing the market. What we all want to know is this down move? Is it gonna continue going down, or it's gonna find support right here? Look at it, and it's gonna go back to 65.70. That's what we all want to know, right? Let's go ahead and find that out. All right, so we're gonna put the first resistance is 70. This is the first resistance. These are the levels at which I am not expecting the price to take easily, not all day. We know that this can be taken any second, right? But they're not gonna be taken easily. All right, so this is our channel now. 70, 56, that's 14 points, right? So we're gonna play this 14-point channel. Okay, time right now, it's 9:23, 7 minutes to open, right? So is the price gonna continue going down? That's tough to tell this morning because the overall market direction is sideways. However, we know that when the cavalry comes, and if which I'm not gonna tell you because it's equal forces. If there is a break to the downside, we know that there is enough gunpowder to take it to 56. That's it. That's where it's going. Alrighty. Okay. The odds are, of course, we all know that it can easily take 56 and go to hell, right? So we're gonna be watching this action right here, pretty close, and we'll take it from there. And the first resistance is 70 right here. The overall market direction is sideways. If the overall market direction was bearish, then I would be expecting a break of 61 and a continuation here, but it's not. It's sideways. All right. Or if it was bullish, I would be expecting a break to the to here, this level here, 63. Find a little bit of resistance right here, 65, and continue going all the way to 70. All right. All right. So look at that. All right. So we are in a snake wave. We gotta find out what the high and the low of this wave is. It's a snake because the low is as strong as the high. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're beginning to have a little bit of higher odds that indeed the break is going to be to the downside. Price right now, 61. All right. And we do believe that there is a little bit higher odds. So in other words, when the price is going this down, right? So teenagers on YouTube, they're going to claim that, oh my God, it's going down. So I'm going to short, right? So, and our job is to figure out if the odds of that happening, right? Sometimes it's a fake down move. They're making everybody believe that it's going to continue going down, and then as soon as they short, bounce, and bam, it goes all the way up. We happen to believe that in this case, right now, there is a little bit of a bigger odds that this down move here that we've been watching, right, since 8 this morning for the past hour, it's a continuation. This low right here, 61, is weaker than 70. All right, so here we go, right? So 61 right here is 61 is weaker. So we think that at the open in 5 minutes, 4 minutes, the price is going to continue going down all the way to 56. Okay, of course, like always, we're going to be watching that action because if it's a fake, then we know that it's going to bounce and then it's going to go back up. It's going to take the stops of all the stops right here, 63, 64, 65. But we believe that they're not gonna do it. We believe that it's gonna continue going down. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. So the what is then the first? Okay, hold on a second. What is then the first? No. Okay. Okay. What is the first resistance before between 61 and 70, right? Well, let's see. Okay, we're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna be watching this 62, 63, all right, and see how vicious the smart money is today in terms of wanting to take take all the stops of the bears. Okay, so we have a bias. We believe that the price is gonna continue going down all the way to 56. That's nothing. That tells you how sharp the market action is today. All right. Okay, find some support here at 59, and we're gonna be looking for all these resistances here. Okay, let's see. All right, so 63, 66. Okay, these are resistances. Okay, remember that we believe the price is gonna continue going down to 56. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, every time the price tests the low, it remember what I told you. The low, even though the price is taking it by a tick, is equally strong as the high. Okay, 56, 70. What we're looking for is for a break here, and we believe that the break is going to be to the downside, right? Okay, so market open, it goes to 62, right? 63, that's our entry short right there. That's 63, right? Okay, price goes to 63. We have one here, 62 half, and 65 quarter. Okay, entry shorts because we believe the price is gonna go down. Alrighty then. Okay, we never let a winner turn into a loser. And look at this chop right here, right? Oh my God! So we never let a winner turn into a loser. This 59 right here, remember what I told you, is this 59, my friends, is as strong as this 65. Okay, we just have a small bias, a small bearish bias. Okay. All right. So price gives you another opportunity. It comes right back down to 60. Look at the chop, right? One strategy is, you know what? I am not gonna trade this. When we have this type of situation, price goes, we get in, it gives us 1, 2, almost 3 points, and then it comes right back down. It gives us another 3 points, and then it comes right back up. It's a pain in the butt, right? Look at that. Again, 62 half cannot take it, right? That's why I told you, you've got to play with your position size. This, my friends, is big time chop. There is no follow through, fast follow through, which is what we expect at the open. However, we position ourselves. Sure, we believe that that the price is going to hit 56, right, before it breaks 65, and we're playing that. Okay, look at that. Price again goes all the way down here, and it just cannot take it because they're both 59, and this right here and this 66 are equally strong. So the price right now, it's deciding. Oh my God, I gotta break something. What is it gonna be? All right, and because we predict the future, we have a small bias that is gonna be to the downside. Okay, so let's continue watching. All right, we can change hats any second, right? Because if 59 is as strong as 65, and then we can go from wanting to be short to be long if we see new information that the price is going to actually break 63 and continue to 65, right? We just change hats. That's all there is to it. Okay. In the meantime, we have to put up with this chop 63.59. That's a 4 point chop, right? Our biggest, we day traders, our biggest enemy. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so oh my God, 63, man. Yeah, that's right. Okay, the same action that we saw it here at below. Uh, be prepared to see it now here at the high. Okay. All right. So 60. Those of you who were waiting for a better risk reward ratio entry, right? Sure. Those of you who waited for the entire 63, and that's pretty good. Price right now is 61. Right. We're up 2 points, and it was a swift recoil. Okay, so that's a little bit good news for us, just a little bit. But the chop continues, and you can totally see it. We are concentrated on the short side, but we are just about to change hats short term to bullish. Okay, so those of you who took the 63, took advantage, price gave us 2 points, it comes right back up. We never let a winner turn into a loser, and then we're looking to build back better, right? So if this thing continue going to 65, we're gonna take another shot at this higher level right here, and then we're gonna see the price leap up and down. Now we're gonna see the price leap up and down this 59.66. All right, 59.66. Okay. All right, we never let a winner turn into a loser. Prices are high. Okay, so that's 65 quarter, right? Boom, we go short again and stop break even, because now we know that a clean break of this 65, price is gonna go 5 points more up to 70. Okay, so this is it. Done with being short here. Okay, and another good strategy is, oh my God, Capi, yeah, I make a couple of points the first time, I make 1 point the second time, stop break even. Okay, price just pick me up here at 65. I'm up 2 points right now. That's it. Put a stop break even, and that's it.
I have a robot bull uppercut.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking. So we're gonna change hats, and we believe now that the price is actually gonna break 65. So we're not gonna short this high anymore. We are now gonna start looking for support, expecting the price to break this 65 here and go to 70. Boom. Alrighty. Okay, so we change hats just in time, right? This is a breakout 65, right? So we were playing the short side. We were playing the short side. He gave us 1 point. He gave us 2 points. He gave us 2 points. Change hats. This is what most traders cannot do, is change hats. We change hats to bull. All right. Now we believe that this break of 65 right here, that is happening right now. Right? What time it is right now? It's 9:36. Okay, so we're doing all of this live. Change hats. The bearish bias that we have when the price was 61 only went to 59. 2 points. Open came. Change in sentiment. We gave it a shot here at 63. We gave it a shot here at 65. He gave us 1 point, 2 points, 1 point, a scratch right here, this 65. Change hats to bull. And now we believe that the price is going to continue to 70. All right, so we change hats right here at 65. And we are expecting a breakout 60, the entry long 65, we are expecting to continue to 70. All right, so 5 points. All right, that's what we believe is going to happen. All right, let's see. So this is 68 quarter, and our job. All right, so what's going to happen when it goes to 70? 70 is a destination, it's not a target. So, but we know that 70 is going to start stopping the price. Okay, 70 and okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. Okay, I have another one. 70. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. There is another resistance above 70. Is 73. Okay. All right then. 73 now. Okay, 73. So in other words, this move up is a is a is a is a continuation to 70, 73. On. We can change hats back to bear any second. All right? Okay, so the price, right? So 65, it's an entry long breakout. We were expecting a 5 point move to 70. Remember that the overall market direction is sideways. I'm not expecting the price to go not even 5 points on a straight line on this type of chop. The main play now is bullish. Okay? It's the same bias that we had at the open, that the price was going to go to, that we thought that the price was going to go to 56, is the same now to 7. All right? Break of 65. Right? Chop. This is a major chop. Finds resistance, 66 quarter. We wanted 70. All right, no problem. Price pulls back all the way back to right here to 65. Trading 101. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Pull back to 65, give us another entry long, and we are now on our way back to 70, 5 points again. So the first time that we took that break up, that breakout to the upside, price only went 3 points, 3.25 to 68. Comes right back down. It gives us another chance right here at 65. And we know direction is king. We believe that this move up is going to take the price all the way to 70. So we are long the first time, the breakout, and we're long again the 65. The pullback, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. That's trading 101. Everybody knows that. And the most important thing is that the system that we trade here tell us that the direction is up and is going to 70. 70 is not a target, it's a destination. The difference is that when I tell you it's a target, you lock in some of your some of your units. Alrighty? Okay. So what's gonna happen at 70? There's gonna be some dancing around here, this 70, and then we're gonna be watching 70 like a hawk. Believe you me. And then we'll see if the market is so vicious today that it's going to 70 is going to be so strong that it's not going to take, it's not going to continue. Only 3 points, that's nothing, right? We've seen the price go 30 points today, 3. So that's, my friend, is called massive chop. So we're gonna watch the price 70, right? We're gonna lock in some units here at 70. We're gonna see how the price behaves right there. Time right now, 9:42, and this is all live, real time. So in other words, when people watch this video on YouTube, it's gonna be live, but not real time, right? Because it's a recording. Right now, it's total real time. In other words, I'm reading the market as it's going. All right, look, we see what's that's 69. All right, so one tick to 70, yeah. And look at it. Look, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think happened right here? It's professionals that know the importance of 70 as resistance jump the gun one tick because they know it's resistance. And what do? We buy support and we sell resistance most of the time. Sometimes we buy resistance when it's a breakout, it's 65, remember? All right, so we're gonna continue watching and look at this. This is you guys. The reason we're having this pullback right now from 70 back to 65. You guys are locking some of your unit. Remember, I told you, hey, listen, it's a destination. Lock some, not right. 73. You've got to do it. It's a rule, but at destination, you are a little bit more flexible. All right. All right, so let's see. Back to 65, and we continue believing the overall market. Remember that this is the most important. The overall market direction is sideways. So I'm not expecting a clean break of either side. All right, so let's continue watching. Let's see. We don't know yet. Let's see if the bears took total control and now they're gonna bring it all the way down back to 56, break it, and continue to 56. That's what we're looking at right now. All right. Until I say so, we stay with our last direction, which is bullish to 70, eventual break, and 73. Okay. Of course, the steeper the pullback, then we know we have our levels of support right here, right? 65, 63, 61, not any longer, right? So we have our levels of support in which we expect a bounce and a continuation to the upside. All right, so let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who went long here, 63, right? Price breaks 65, take the stops of all the weak bulls, it goes to our second support. We're right there following. Oh my God, is this thing gonna continue? Is it gonna break 63 to the downside? So we're not gonna take a chance, right? A clean break of 63. Then there is a chance that we're gonna change hats back to bear, and a clean break of 63. We are expecting a continuation all the way back to this swing low right here, 59. Okay, all right. 63, testing 63. This is good. Remember, I told you this 63 is gonna be a pain in the butt, right? It's gonna be some dancing right there, right? Okay. All right. I'm not as okay. So this is a 70 all the way to 61, right? 9 points, no looking back. Okay, and I have not changed hats. We are still bearish. Uh, we are still bullish. Okay, so I'm expecting this low right here to hold. Okay, let's see. So remember what I told you this morning. Okay, day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. Okay, the conditions are erratic, so we have a small position size. We are just warming up. We're letting the market do all its shenanigans, and then we're gonna nail it, and when the dust settle. All right. So a summary: we were bearish when the price was right here, 62. We believed that the price was going to go to 56. It only went to 59, 2 points. Open came, broke. We changed hats to bull. Took that breakout 65. We wanted the price to go to 70. It didn't on the first attempt, and then it came right back up, and boom, again to 69.75. One tick to 70. Right? I told all of you, let's go ahead and watch 70 is a destination. I was expecting a break of 70 after more chop, of course, and a continuation to 73. It never happened. All right. You guys got out right here. Main play remains remains bullish, and so that we are looking for supports. All of this is support, right? We took it, right? Price goes to 63, and then 2 point is not a clean break, because remember what I told you, a clean break price is gonna continue to 59. No clean break. Look at it. It came right back here all the way to 61 quarter and right back. Dancing, 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 dancing. We are still bullish bias. We can change the bearish. We don't know which is the main trend here. Nobody knows. This one right here, the move from 59 all the way to 70, or the pullback from 70 all the way to 61. Okay, our job is to know the future, make a decision, go with the odds, and change hats as many times need be. Now you all know that the more times we have to change hats, the more vicious the market is. It's not moving in harmony with our system, right? Not as much as we would like it to. All right, so price comes all the way to 61. We know that this 63, 62, it's support. We are still bullish. We're buying support. And we are still expecting a continuation all the way to back to 70, break it on 73. All right, so those of you who took advantage of this nice pullback, right, from 70 all the way to 61, these 9 points, you know the levels of support. We took 65, it worked the first time, the second time scratch, and then it comes right back down. We don't take it, we take the next level of support right here, 63, between 63 and 59. Right? If you took that shot right there, 61, which is the mid range, right? 59, 63, that's 4 points, right? The mid range is 61. Look at it. 61 right here. All right, 61. Direction is king. Even though the price has went pullback from 70 all the way to 61, did you notice how we did not change hats to bear? On the contrary, we took advantage of the pullback to find us support so that we can have a better risk-reward ratio entry location, because we are still expecting the price to go to 70 and 73 and God knows where else. So far, this is as far that we can see because there's big time shot. All right, 67, so price goes to 61, the mid-range. Find support exactly where we said it was going to happen, and bounces, and it's now 67. All right. This is pure price action. Pure price action. You just look at the market, see how it does. You know the levels of support resistance. You know what it is the smart money has under their sleeve. And then you have to be strict with your strategy and have the discipline to do what your system tells you to do. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're not gonna take the 63 anymore, and we're not gonna take the 61 either. Okay, now the chop is too massive, so we're only going to manage the position that we already have. We're not going to take new trades. Even if the price comes right back to 63, we're not going to take it. The support right here, we're not going to take it. Okay? And not even the 61. The chop is so massive right now that remember that flat is a position. We're not flat. We're long, but we're just about to change hats back to bear. All right, we're just about, you just have to wait until I tell you. In the meantime, stay long, keep your position, don't let a winner turn into a loser ever, and continue building back better. If another pullback takes your trail, then it's okay to build back better and go long again, support, but do not add to the position that you already have because it's too risky. This type of market action is too choppy and too unpredictable. So we're not looking to buy a Lamborghini today. All right, we're still warming up. The market has not revealed itself enough that we like it. Okay, and I'm beginning to see signs that being short could be a better play because it's gonna have a bigger run. Where is that run, by the way, going to be? We all know exactly where that run's going to be, right? 56. Okay, so let's see if we can catch it. Remember what I told you? The only way that you're gonna buy this 61 is if you are building back better. Do not, so in other words, if you were long somewhere around here, 63, and you didn't get out, don't buy 61. Only buy 61 if you are building back better. Look at that gorgeous move to 61 and bam, 65, right? 4 points in 4 seconds. Okay, so we remain bullish until I tell you otherwise. But I want you to know that I can foresee that there is there is a chance that we're going to change hats back to bear. Until I don't say it officially, you remain bullish. All right, so what has the price done all this half an hour? Chop, look at that. 50, 60, 69, almost 9 points. Let's call it 10 points. Look at that, 10 points of chop. All right, we nail the short at the beginning, then we nail the long after the break, and we continue buying support, staying with the same position size, and we are still doing it, and we are so watching the action right now and looking for the footprints that the smart money live, because our job now is to find out if the price is going to break the low 59 or it's going to break that high 70, right? That's what we want to know. Okay, and we already know where it's going. Okay, break of 70, it'll continue to 73. Break of this 61, it'll test this 59, but it will continue to 56. Okay, and we continue watching. All right, so those of you who build back better long 61, pretty good, right? We're up 8 points. Test of 69. We still bullish until I tell you otherwise, and you will know exactly what it is we are expecting. Alrighty, we are expecting a continuation of test 70, break it, and 73, and we are on the brisk of changing hats to short. We're not changing hats to short until I tell you. Alrighty, but I just want you to know that if it comes, then I'm preparing you right now so that if it comes, no hesitation. I don't want you to hesitate. Right? You know exactly you have to pull that trigger, reverse button. All right, so be really ready to change hats. Why is this important? Well, we're long 61, right? And we wanted 70 and 73. So why is it so important that we know what the other side is doing? Well, so that we can manage our long position, number one, and number two, so that we start looking for resistance because we are expecting the price to now break to the downside. Okay. But just like I told you at the beginning, I'm not expecting I can break either side at all. And look what the price has done all morning long. Go ahead and do it. All right, so right now we are in a 70 59 channel, right? 11 points. Oh, okay, no problem. All righty, no problem. Okay. All right, so listen. So this is how we do it. First, we don't if we're gonna go long, we're gonna go long risk support and not add to our position, right? That's how we do it. That's it. We're changing hands. Done. Price right now 62, right? Boom. We're changing hands. Back to bear. Bears just took control, and now we are expecting the price to break this low right here. So we're not gonna go long 59. That's not gonna happen because the future is that the price is gonna take it, and now we forget about this 73, and now we are interested in finding resistance and go short. So we are officially changing hats to bear because we believe that the future, the price is going to break 61 in the future. It's going to break it. It's going to go to 59. It's going to be a double top. That's a conventional retail trader type of strategy. They're going to go long. It's going to be there. But we believe that the price is going to take 61. It's going to take 59. And it's going to continue to 56. Alrighty. Okay, so that's what we believe is going to happen next. We can easily change hats back to bull any second. But our job right now is to focus completely on the future, and we believe that the price is eventually going to 56. That's what we believe is going to happen. So, if it's going to happen, then what do we want? Well, now we need to get us some resistances. Where are the resistances? Okay. They're right there. Okay. All right. So this is a double top. Nice. Look, ladies and gentlemen, look what the price is done. And listen to me. All right. If you're not a ultra super professional trader, this market is killing you. It's destroying all the teenagers on YouTube that claim that they're big shot. Those teenagers that record their trading live. Well, this recording, they're not gonna post it in their YouTube channel. The recording of today, those who dare to trade live today, you'll see, oh, there's no recording for today. They're destroyed. Okay? We, on the other hand, we post our videos every single day. It's the only way that there can be accountability. All right? All right. I'm just telling you that so that you're not taken by those scam, fake gurus out there. Anyway, it's not of our problem. All right, so we change hats right here. Right, I told you, that's it. Don't build back better, not 61 anymore. We're done. We now believe that it is this pullback, the one that we want to take advantage of. This one right here, right? Last one. Okay. All right. I told you so. So what's gonna happen? Well, the price is gonna eventually take 61. It's gonna go to 59. It's gonna break it. It's not gonna be an easy break because it's a double top, but the odds say that it's gonna break it and it will continue to 56. All right. So we change hats back to bear, and this, my friends, this type of job, like I told you at the beginning, most traders, they don't even dare say, you know what, I'm not gonna trade this because I know I'm gonna be destroyed. We, on the other hand, follow our system, our discipline, the future, and and now we are just okay. Now we have direction. Okay, so we are now bears. We believe that the bears took control right here, 63, our level. Remember? All right. So if the price breaks 63 to the upside, then that's gonna be right. We don't know if it's gonna break 63. We still have to. We still have to. We still have to play. Right. We still have to put up with this massive Monday chop. If the price takes this 63, then this is all going to be resistance. Okay. All right. So 63, 69. That's 6 points, right? So what's the mid range? Okay. Well, the mid range, my friends, is 66, isn't it? All right. This is the mid range of this area of resistance. Why are we paying attention to this area of resistance? Because we believe in the future, and we believe that the future is a continuation down to 59, break, and 56. That's why we are looking at resistance instead of looking at support anymore. We're done with support because we believe that it's more advantageous to be sure. For this is the third time that we change hats. We remember we were bearish, then we were bullish, 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 and then bang, right here we change hats back to bearish. We know that this 63 is just the beginning of resistance. If the price is gonna go down, you don't have to be a genius to know that the higher your entry, sure, the better the risk reward ratio, right? That's just mathematics. Alrighty. Okay, so when you're taking a 63 here, you're playing it. You know a couple of things. Number one, you're being chopped to death. You're chopped liver. You know that, all right? But you're taking care of your position size, and you're patient, waiting for the price to go to our area of resistance here. Look at that, for the third time. It would be a triple top. You're patient, all right? You're patient. Those of you who don't want to don't want to play this middle action right here, right? Which of course it's is the most aggressive and the most and the less likely to have a positive result, right? So no biggie, right? Okay, you have the future. You are patient. You know that we're now looking for resistance more than we are looking for support. That's why we change hats back to bear, and we're shorting. Okay, is it possible that I change hats back to bull? Change hats for the fourth time, 3 times in half an hour. Are you kidding? That's the definition of major big time chop. And that's why I told you an hour ago, reduce size. We're going to warm up and we're going to trade this baby because it will eventually reveal itself, and we have to be there when it does. All right, this 66 right here, it's really important. Okay, this 66 right here, it's really important. This 66, 63, this 3 point range is no man's land. As long as the price is between 63 and 66, we have no idea who's in control here. This thing can easily break 66 or 63 to the downside because this is no man's land. we really, it's extremely difficult to know who's in control. Okay. All right. So what does that tell us? Well, we believe that the future is the short side. So we're not gonna be quick to draw the gun. Here the mid range 66, 69, right? 66, 70, right? What's the mid range 66, 70? 68. All right. This is the mid range between 66 and 70. 70 is the high. Okay, we are concentrated in 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 shorting resistance because we believe there's going to be another move down, and that eventually is going to break the low, therefore making that move the biggest for the day. Alrighty. Okay, so price goes to 68, right? 60, one tick to 68, cannot take it, back to 66, and then bulls take temporary control above 66, which is okay. We're okay with that because what we're looking to do is take control back from them. That's what we're looking to do, is taking control back from them. All right. But as long as the price is above 66, my point is that we have to be extremely careful, very cautious. A nasty spike to 70, then we have to take a scratch, right? Because we know that above 66, the bulls are, according to us, temporarily in control. Okay, so we prefer, of course, the price to be below 66. Hang around here, 63, 66. This no man's land. We prefer no man's land, that bull territory, right? Of course, but we are expecting to eventually take back control because we believe that this is gonna be another move down. That's pretty much what we're doing right now. All still warming up with a very small position size and no shenanigans. Okay, look at the chop, ladies and gentlemen. 59. Right, look at that. 59, 70, 59, 70, 59, 70. All right, so don't underestimate this this terrible chop price action. Our worst enemy. Okay, that I've been telling you. Remember that we not only want to know what the price is going to do, but how it's going to do it. All right, and we've known all along since this morning that this is what we were expecting. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So 66, 70, right? What's the mid range? 68. Of course, right? Those of you who took a shot here, 68, 68 quarter. We don't want the price to go back to 69, right? We want this pullback to be the one that takes the price all the way to 66, break it, and at least hang around here, 63, 66. That's what we want, right? All right. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Okay. This is big time chop. How many times I've said this is big time chop mistake? Right? So, and how many times I've said this is our worst enemy? And how many times have I said we've known since the open that this is what the market was going to do? And that's why we reduce completely our position size, right? amateurs, they play the same size over and over again. They don't know that there are times that the market conditions are totally, completely a lot more difficult. It's always difficult, but they don't know that there are less predictable than other times. You know, and all in, all out, imagine that. All right. So this is a pretty much scalpers. They they're being destroyed right now. Okay, scalpers, are you kidding me? And especially if they're not patient. All right, if they're not patient, if they don't wait for that levels of support and resistance, they're destroyed. Okay, all right. So we kind of know what's going on here. All right. So what is our risk? Right? What is our risk? Well, right above 70. Okay, that a clean break of 70, price is going to continue going all the way to 73. That's a risk. All right. Okay, and the closer to 70 and to 73 that we short, the better the risk reward ratio is for that future move down that we are envisioning. Right? Is it gonna happen? Guarantee? Of course, we know that there isn't such a thing as a holy grail. So it's all about trade management. Okay, so here we go. 73, 56. All right, 73, 56. This is the channel that we're playing. Okay, right? Imagine that 73 and 56. All right, 17 points, and we've chopped for an entire 45 minutes, 9 points. All right, so continue. So in other words, a professional trader knows the market conditions. They know the overall market direction. The professional trader knows everything about the price action, so that so that they can make a decision as to what's the best action to take. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So we just got a new level of we just got a new level of resistance. Okay. 77. Oh my God. Yeah, that's right. 77. That's a new level of resistance. So the bulls, let me see here. Yeah, here we go. So the bulls, they want to take it to 70, 73, and 77. Right? So if they win the battle, this is where it's going to go. If they win the battle, this is where they're going to take it. 70 is nothing. It's just the high of this micro channel that we're on, right? 70, 70, 60, right? 70, 60, 10 points. Above 70, they want to take it to 73 and 77. All right, so we need to know that because we are bearish. We are shorting resistance, expecting the price to drop eventually, someday this year. However, what if? What if we're wrong and this move up from 60 all the way to 68 right here? What if this is the one that is going to continue? It's going to break the high 70 and it's going to continue to 77, right? What if? Well, we need to know exactly a clean break of this. Where is the price going to go? We need to know that because we are bear. We are short. We're bearish. And we need to know what our risk is, right? So in other words, at all times, we need to know what everybody is doing, right? That's just, I don't know, that's just mathematics, right? That's just, common sense, isn't it? All right, so price goes to our mid-range entry short, hang around there for a while. Nice drop to 64, right? From 68, 69 to 64. That's 4 points, 4 or 5 points. Stop break even again. And we just have to go back to doing exactly the same strategy that we've been doing all day long. All right. It's okay to build back better, sure, now because we are bearish. And I'm not expecting, the odds are that it is a move to the downside. What's coming next? Those are the odds, and that's why we're bearish. Okay. So as long as we believe that the future move is going to be down, remember 66, 63, it's no man's land, we're good with it. As long as eventually the bears take control and break 63 and 61 and 59 and 56, right? Now, is it going to happen easily? We know that the market is going to play with everybody here in this area. 64, 70, right? We know that. Okay, we'll stick with the plan, right? Alrighty then. So repeat, it's okay to build back better resistance because we are still of the belief that this price is going to eventually break to the downside. In the meantime, make sure that your P&L it's green. If you've gotten in exactly at all those levels that we called today, and you never let a winner turn into a loser, you have a small green P&L. Keep it like that. All right. And if you don't want to continue playing this horrible price action chop, just don't do it anymore. Be completely patient to short 73 and 77. If I don't change hats back to bull. And ladies and gentlemen, this 63 here, ladies and gentlemen, it's beginning to be a bigger pain in the butt than we wanted to. Okay, this 63 is beginning to be a little bit too strong of support now. Okay, so price is not gonna it's not gonna be taken easily. We bears, we if the price comes right back down to this level of 63, we are expecting a strong fight here, and a clean break of it is going to give us confidence that we are on the right side by being sure all this area right here, and a clean break of this 63, which is not going to be easy to take because this 63 is becoming a little bit too strong. So we need the price to take 63 and then play here 61, 63, chop, chop, chop. But as long as the price is below 63, we are confident that it'll go to 61, it'll go to 59, and it will continue going to 56. Okay, so that's what we are playing right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, market beginning to reveal itself to us right here. Those of you who took the mid-range right here, 68, 59, you're up 9 points, and the rest is just a matter of the future, period. Of course, there's gonna be, okay, time right now is 10:38, right? This is all live, but most importantly, real time. I'm reading all of this as it's happening. You will see it on YouTube later on, the recording, but I'm doing it live, real time, in front of a studio audience. My studio audience that is with me every single day of the year, Monday through Friday, 9 to 12. All right, so there is no shenanigans here. for me. There's no way that I can doctor this up. Oh, if I do good, then I post it. If I don't do good, then I don't post it, right? That's not the way it works. Okay. All right then. All right. So this is a double bottom, right? I don't have to tell you. Any trader that has been any amateur, a trader that just began trading nothing 5, 6 years ago, a total newbie, they know what a double bottom is, right? They know that stuff. All right. So this is a natural bounce, but remember, we're gonna let it ride to 56 because this is the most difficult thing for traders to do is to let it ride. As soon as they have a little bit of green, they take it, and when they red, they just let the smart money destroy them, right? All right, pretty good. Well, 58, and let's go ahead and ride this baby all the way to 56, and we'll take it from there. All right, there is a new rotation now going on, so there's gonna be a new reading pretty soon. And that reading doesn't necessarily mean that the price is going to go back up. No, a new reading means there's a new rotation. There's going to be new levels of support, resistance. There are going to be new channels. There are going to be new destinations. There are going to be new targets. That's all. And there is a possibility that we might change hats. Gee, you guessed it. Back to bull. There's a possibility. You hang in there until I tell you. If I don't tell you, you stay sure and ride it to 56. Gentlemen, so taking of the low, and we all know where this thing is going, right? Where I've been saying all along, where is it gonna go to 56, right? So 56 is target 1. All right, terrific. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so okay, price goes to 56 half, 2 ticks to our target, and you know that it's okay if you get out 1 point above, 1 point below, right there. It's okay with me, right? 1 point, we have to give it a little bit of room. Price went within 2 ticks of our target 156, the one that I've been calling since we changed hats back to bear, and so that the market just made a move from 69 all the way to 56, right? That's beautiful. 13 points, of which we nail since the mid-range right here, 68 to 57, we just nail 11 points. And this is only, ladies and gentlemen, target 1. Let's see on this new, reading that I'm going to have pretty soon, because the market is in a rotation. This cycle is going to give us, just like I said, new information. And that new information is going to be target 2 and target 3. Let's see. Or it could be, no, that's it. More chop. Price is going to continue chopping, and now it's going to go back all the way back to 70. And then our job is whether we consider counter trending long so that we can make a couple of pennies on a counter trend while the price continues going down to whatever is going to go next, which I don't know yet. However, what is the most important thing for us to do now? You know that we're going to get out 3 times. So unit 1, we are out 56. Some of you are not out because you want to get exactly 56. And I got to tell you, on a day like today, that's a tough one. But officially, it's okay. I'm okay if you're out 1 point above 57. Look at the bounce off of 57, and let's see what the price is gonna be looking for to continue doing. All right, so what I'm gonna do, so that I don't make this video too long for the YouTube following, I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna open it again, but everything that you just saw here on this recording just tells you how this is really done. So let's go ahead and stop this video, and yeah, go ahead and stop it, and we'll open another one.